How to withdraw money from PrizePicks to Apple Pay. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Right now I'm inside the official article of PrizePicks on how you can go ahead and withdraw your funds. Basically, you can request a withdrawal to any approved bank account. Now, right here, it says that it includes PayPal, Venmo, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit your funds into your PrizePicks account. But you can just go ahead and use your Apple Pay in order to do so. Now, to request a withdrawal, you want to navigate through the menu located on the top left corner of the PrizePicks apps. If you're accessing your account on a browser, the menu is going to be on the top right corner. From there, you can then go ahead and select the request withdrawal. Now here comes the tricky part. You'll receive one-time password code by email as soon as you request your withdrawal. No further action is needed on your part, and they will send an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. Now, if you're using your Apple Pay in order to withdraw your funds, you have to make sure that you first use the Apple Pay in order to deposit your funds into PrizePicks right here, and from there it will basically go ahead and link both of your accounts. From there, you will be able to choose Apple Pay as the withdrawal section or option. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.